Hello again to all my marketing friends out there. Last week we went over a little bit about distribution. The week before that we talked about how to write content. Now we're going to talk a little bit about organization. So what you want to do once you have your formula in place and you know where you want to distribute your content, it's about working from notes that you can go back and reference and copy and paste from. So what we suggest doing is opening up a Google Doc and starting with your title. Now titles are going to be between 300 and 100 characters long, making sure that you're hitting on keywords that you want to show up for in search. After that, you're going to want to write a subtitle. Subtitles are generally going to be between 70 and 200 characters long. They're going to be the hook that kind of want to draw people in. And again, you still want to put some good keywords in those subtitles because you're going to use that in your blog to be able to show up in search. Finally, you're going to want to get into your description. Now your description can be anywhere from 200 to 1,000 words long. It all depends on that content, what you decide to choose as far as a writing formula goes, and how you're going to bring all that information together. So again, make sure you put together a Google Doc or some kind of a Word doc or Note doc and put in your title, 30 to 100 characters, subtitle, 70 to 200 characters, and your description, 200 to 1,000 words. All right, that is a great little tip for organizing your content. If you need any help, you know where to find us.